Okay, welcome back. So today we are going to see how we can install Viper4Android sound mode in almost any Android device, even with Android 10. So welcome back to the hood, you're watching Tech Decipher. Let's get started. Okay, so this video is basically for Android 10 users. As we all know, installing Viper4Android in Android 10, it's not really a bhai haath ka khel, but we have a workaround for that. So after experimenting about 5 to 6 methods, finally I have come to this method which is perfectly working for any Android 10 device. Okay, for those who don't know, Viper4Android is a sound enhancing module for Android operating system which lets you enhance your sound quality. जिससे आप अपने sound quality को customize भी कर सकते हैं. Okay, for demonstrating this method, I will be using my Poco F1 with an Android 10 ROM. So what are the prerequisites for this video? Well, prerequisites are your phone must be rooted. आपका phone rooted होना चाहिए with Magisk. If you don't know how to root your phone, you may Google it according to your device. Okay, so let's get started. So what are the files required for this video? Well, you just need this application. This is the Viper4Android application, which version is 2716. So check the video description for download links. So first, let me show you that my phone is running on Android 10. As you can see, this is Android 10. So first, what we have to do is go to your Magisk Manager application, then go to your download section and search here for a module called Audio Modification Library. As you can see, this is the first one, Audio Modification Library. Click on download and install it. It will take just few seconds to install it and it will install automatically. As you can see, its install is complete. You just have to go back from here and reboot your device once. Okay, the phone restart होने के बाद you can head to Magisk Manager again, and here you can check module section. The module is activated. Next, what you have to do is go to the file manager and install the Viper4Android application. Just install it. Once application gets installed, just open it and it will ask for no driver installed. Do you wish to install the driver? Here you just have to click OK, and next we will get this super user request. You just have to grant this request and it will reboot your phone automatically once the drivers are installed. Okay, phone restart होने के बाद you just have to unlock the phone and next search for Viper4Android application and open it. Okay, so our drivers are properly installed. यह फिर से driver installation का prompt नहीं मांग रहा जैसे कि पहले मांगता था. Next, अगर आपको चेक करना है आपका Viper4Android properly installed हुआ कि नहीं, तो उसे चेक करने के लिए आपको क्लिक करना है settings के left icon में. This is the microchip icon. You have to click it and here you can see all the details. अगर आपको status में normal दिख रहा है, then yes, your Viper4Android is working properly fine. So as you can see, my status is normal, which means my Viper4Android is working properly. And next, you just have to enable the master power and do whatever the customizations you want to enhance your audio quality. Okay, congrats. So we have successfully installed Viper4Android in Android 10. The next thing which we notice is this prompt processing speaker prompt. और ये काफी लोगों के लिए annoying है, including me. So इसे hide करने के लिए आपको simply इस पे long press करना है. You just have to turn off the notifications. Click on the switch and apply. And there we go, the prompt is hidden. Okay, at last let me show you a demo with sweet classical inspirational music.
Microphone check, make it a microphone check. Give it a microphone, I make it a microphone dead. Don't step to me, newbie, I can truly be moody. I could've played the fucking Grinch in the movies. I've been a part-time shadow cat, part-time. That is not a guy that I would ever want to try to battle rap.
Okay, so it's working properly fine. Let me know in the comment section if you can feel the difference. Okay, this is it for today. If you like my video, please give it a like. And if you want to support me, then please do subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.
10 transactions, please press 1.
Like a boss. Oh yes, I keep the